Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm going to show you how to clean your registry. The Windows registry is something which is very dangerous to try and clean or change by yourself, because if you somehow don't do this correctly, you could cause some serious errors to occur on your computer. However, cleaning it up successfully with a program can make your computer run a lot better. The first thing you'll want to do before trying to clean the registry is make a backup of it. To do this, just go to the Start menu and then select Run. Here, simply type regedit.exe. So regedit.exe. Then simply click OK, and this will launch the registry editor of Windows. Here, if you go to File, you can choose Export to make a backup copy. Simply choose where you want to save it on your computer, enter a name such as Registry Backup, and then click Save. Now that you have a backup copy of your registry, you can go ahead and try to edit it and clean it up. This is very difficult and very unsafe to do by hand because you can cause serious damage to your PC. So you'll want to use a free registry cleaning program. A simple Google search for free registry cleaner will turn up lots of results. Now, there's no reason to get tricked into paying for one of these programs because there are plenty of very good free ones. Some of them are simply plain registry cleaners, which will do just that, while others can do other things as well, such as cleaning up temporary internet files and just cleaning up all kinds of programs on your computer. CC Cleaner is an example of this. You can find it at www.ccleaner.com, and it has a very good registry cleaner included.